Good day guys, welcome to the ShareAdvisor.com. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download your Goldage Expert Advisor and then how you can launch it on your Mt4 and start trading on your gold pairs on your broker. Okay, first of all you need to go to the ShareAdvisor.com, the related page for the Goldage Expert Advisor. You can easily find it on the home page and you can direct to the Goldage Expert Advisor page. And then after that, after you complete the purchase process, like add to cart, checkout page, and then you finish your purchase process, you will receive a download link in your email. And then after that, you click on the download link on your email, and then the file gonna be downloaded on your computer. Make sure you will save it on your desktop somewhere that you can find it. The file is gonna look like this. It's a raw file. Please remember, you don't need to open the file. You just save it on your desktop or anywhere that you can find it easily. After that, you just right click and copy the file, and then go back to your Mt4 area, Mt4, open your Mt4, and then on the top left menu, click on the file, go to the open data folder, then go to MQL4, then go to your experts folder and just paste the file that you have copied before in this folder and then close. I have already done that, as you can see, so I just close and then refresh your expert advisor folder, or you can close your Mt4 and open it again. And then before you apply it on the chart, you should remember that this EA only works on gold pairs like XAUUSD, and the time frame is 1 hour time frame. Make sure your auto trading is on before you apply anything on the chart. In next step, you need to double click on your expert advisor folder on your menu left side, and then you will see that your Goldage Expert Advisor appear on your expert advisor folders. What you need to do is just drag and drop the EA on your gold pair charts on your Mt4. After you do that, you will receive a window like this. A window will open for you like this on your Mt4 window. Okay, it will give you some information about the EA, but the most important thing for you is that in this part, you need to go to the comment section on your EA menu, and then you make sure that you check allow DLL imports and also allow live trading. In some of the Mt4, they have already checked them on default, but it's better for you to check them before you go to the next step. And then the next step, you need to go to the input section. Okay, in this part is the place that you can apply your license key. You should remember that this EA will not work without license key. For getting the license key, what you need to do is you have to send us your Mt4 account numbers, demo or real. Both demo or both reals is totally up to you guys. And where you can find it, usually the Mt4 account number will be shown on the top left, as you can see. I'm showing you here, or in the middle of your Mt4 window. Okay, you just copy them or write them for us and send them to our email at supports@shareadvisor.com, and then we will send you the license key back before 24 hours. What you need to do after that, you just copy the license key that we will send to you, and you come to the input section and you place the license key here, and then you click on OK. In this case, because we are using a demo account for just demonstration of how to activate the EA, if I do that without the license key, you will see that I will receive an error like this, which is ask me to get the license key from ShareAdvisor.com, that I already explained to you how to do that. Okay, and then your EA will be active. Few points before I finish this video. Make sure that your time frame is 1 hour time frame, auto trading is on, and remember that this EA only works on gold pairs like gold USD or XAUUSD. Do not try it on other pairs, because we do believe that each EA should only be customized for one pair and one asset. So I repeat one more time, do not use the EA on other pairs, only gold pairs and XAUUSD. Okay, so in the next step, I'm gonna show you how you can find the investor passwords for those people or those members that before they complete the purchase, they need to see some proofs, they need to see some performance of the EA. So how you can do that easily, you can go back to the website page, the Goldage Expert Advisor page. You just scroll down and you will see the testimonials and investor password. What you need to do is just log in with these details that we put for you here, the account number, the password, and then the broker servers, and then you will see the last 5 months performance of the EA, which we add $1,500 as deposit and we made $708 in profit. Very low risk. And you should also remember that the market last 5 months was not stable, but still the EA made almost $700 profit. And then you can be sure about the EA performance before even you proceed to the purchase step. And then that's all you need to do is just wait for the EA to start the trades after you launch, and then make sure you give us the review on the website and our social media. It really helps us to improve our EAs and our trading tools for you guys. Thank you so much for being with us, and then have a great week full of profit.